Welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to check current password on Facebook. It's pretty easy, so let's get into the video. Go to your Chrome browser or your Facebook app and search for facebook.com. Once you're there, log in with your email address or phone number and password, and if you have forgotten your password, click on forgotten password and they will direct you to your email address or mobile number to put in right there, and they will just allow you to find your account. Once you find your account, they will just send you a OTP code or verification code on that phone number or email, and you just have to verify it by applying that verification code or OTP in that website or app, whatever you are using. And yeah, that's it. By that you can also change your password, and that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.